Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select Edit Profile, and then from here, select the text field beside links and click Add External Link. So beside the URL in the text field, just input wa.me/ followed by your phone number with the country code. So for example, my country code is 63, and then I'm just gonna type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then just put in a title. I'm just gonna input what's up here and then select done. So once you go back to your profile, you'll see that your WhatsApp link is now linked in your Instagram bio. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.